much like building a platform, people don't realize it's so powerful. Like literally, this how powerful it is. This how powerful it is. You could tell somebody like in this video, you could say, my next live, anybody that has a clothing brand, get at me in the messages. So you could say, hey, for me to wear your shirt, that will be 500. But that content lives forever. They could take it down, put pictures of it. Just because you built your brand and your voice is so powerful, like you have that power. But the problem with most people is they're scared to spend their money. Like
Yes.
when you said you have hired different employees, what you're doing is you're freeing up your time to be the creative genius of your company. Because so you have people take care of the video editing, take care of putting the video out. But people are so scared to put their money. So if you said it's going to be $500 for me to wear a shirt, people are going to say, I'm not going to pay nobody to wear my shirt. They're going to be sedity when they're not realizing that you're now forever attached to this brand in some kind of way. And you got to think about it. If you divide that into, so 12 months in a year, divide that even by 5. Well, they paid less than $20 a month to have a known established brand attached to their brand. Like that's worth more than $500. That's priceless.
Why do you think people are afraid to spend their money?
Because when they see people with money, they just see them with the money. Like if you go back and look at music videos, like kind of like the videos we grew up on, Money Ain't a Thing and all these videos, all they see is money in their face. And even videos now, I'm just going on videos where it's like, the words, and they don't really see that they had to, even though the record label is paying and they got to pay the record label back because it's in advance, but they had to pay money first to be able to even get whatever they have. And so it creates a fear, like I need it and I don't want to see nobody else shining. It's a selfish mindset that's infiltrated today's society, and it's bad because like if we were talking and you was like, hey, if we could do a sit down interview like I did with one of these people, you sent me the links and you telling me it'll be $4.99. It's up to you. We could talk about it. I'm like, that's perfect. Because if you like, okay, listen, the deposit's going to be $99. I'll send over all the information. Then we'll go ahead and do it. And then 48 hours after that, I'll need it. Okay, no problem. Because I'd look at it like this. We got an interview done. That'll live forever. Like, are you kidding me? But people are afraid to spend because they look at it like spending is losing. But what they don't realize is
winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The champion's playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.